No sleep, no phone, no books, not talking, not reading, not writing. Where would you escape to? More about that right after the intro. Welcome to the Day One Journey, episode 540. Ching. Yeah! So what about you? Imagine yourself in an environment when you don't sleep, you don't have your phone, you can't talk to other people, you can't talk to your family, your friends, you can't read, you can't write. Where would you escape to? Well, when I was on the Vipassana retreat, as I shared with you, this was my biggest challenge. I had nowhere to escape to. And the only thing that we were doing on the retreat was meditating. We meditated for 10 or even 12 hours every single day. And sometimes when I wanted to escape, I had no place to go. I couldn't even go to sleep. We started the meditation retreat with only 6 hours of sleep every single night. We woke up 4 a.m. and we couldn't go to sleep before 10. Just 6 hours of sleep. After 10 days, they pushed us to lower it to 4 hours of sleep every single night. So we'll be ready for the final challenge of the retreat. As I share with you, last 3 days, 3 nights, 3 days, no sleep. Just the thought of that, I was getting a little bit overwhelmed, and I wasn't sure how could I make it? How can I make it? 3 days without sleep. And the only place that I found a little bit comfort, or the only place that I escaped to during the Vipassana retreat, and I'm not that proud of that, but I'm here to share with you the truth, being 100% authentic as I can. I was escaping to food. I was indulging myself in the food there. I didn't even follow all the rules. We had rules to eat. We were allowed to eat solid foods until 12 at noon. But I didn't follow this rule. And when I had the opportunity, when I was presented with food and they had buffet lunch and buffet breakfast as well, I was just indulging. I was eating much more than my body needed. I wasn't doing good for my body, but this was the only thing that was, I don't know, comfortable, only thing that I could escape to. And then to compensate on this indulging, I was also doing fasting. So all through the retreat, my relationship to food was, I don't know, I was fasting for a few days and then I was indulging for a few days. And this was one of the ways that I tried to work with all these challenges. This is where I escaped. The food. So back to you. Try to put yourself in the same situation. No sleep, no reading, no writing, not talking to other people, not having your phone, no YouTube, not Facebook. Where would you escape to? Give yourself a few minutes today. Think about it. And of course, have an amazing day one. See you tomorrow.